This video will demonstrate managing accounts with the Lenovo VR Classroom Immersive Learning Hub. Learn how to view and edit organization settings and how to create, edit, and delete user accounts. The Accounts section is divided into two different tabs, Organizations and Users. Navigate between these sections by clicking on the names at the top of the screen. Click on your organization to open a side panel that contains various information. The side panel includes two different tabs. The Account Details tab contains information about your organization, your content subscriptions, and contact details for your organization's contact person. The Configuration Settings tab displays information such as your organization's time zone, language, and update policy. To edit your organization, select it using the checkbox and click the Edit icon. Make any desired changes to your organization information and company contact details on the Account Details tab. The Configuration Settings tab allows you to change your organization's time zone, language, and update policy. Your organization can be set to manually update devices or to automatically update devices. You can also choose the time and days that automatic updates can occur. Click the Save button when finished making changes. The Users tab contains a list of all the users in your organization. Use the search bar to find a specific user in the list. The Edit and Delete icons are deactivated by default until a user is selected from the list using a checkbox. Use the Create New User button to add new users to your organization. To create a single user, click the Create New User button and select Single. Enter the required information for the user into the side panel and click the Submit button. To create multiple users at once, click the Create New User button and select Multiple. You will need to upload a CSV file containing the required information for all the new users you wish to add. Download the sample template CSV for reference when creating your CSV file. Once your CSV file has been uploaded, click the Submit button. To edit user information, select the user you wish to edit using the checkbox. The details for multiple users cannot be edited at the same time. Click the Edit icon. Make any desired updates to the user information and click the Update button to save your changes. To delete one or more users from the list, select the users you wish to delete using the checkboxes and click the Delete icon. Deleting users from the list cannot be undone. Make sure to carefully review the users that you have selected in the Delete Users side panel. If you accidentally selected an incorrect user, they can be deselected in this panel. Once finished reviewing your selections, click the Delete button to finish removing the users from the list. For more information, watch our other videos about Lenovo VR Classroom or visit lenovo.com/VR Classroom. For guides and documentation, visit support.lenovo.com/VR Classroom.